This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Android version and model so you know which menus to use. Once done, open Settings and go to Apps, find the phone app, and inspect permissions. Contacts, phone, and storage must be allowed. If any are off, enable them and restart the app. Next, force stop the phone app and clear its cache only. Do not clear data yet. Finally, reboot the device to let system services reinitialize and to see if recent call logs reappear. Now dive into the middle steps. Verify which app is set as the default phone app, and if you use a third-party dialer, switch back to the stock app to test behavior. Make sure your Google account and any carrier or device accounts are syncing contacts and device info. Open accounts, right arrow Google, and force a sync. Also check storage. Low space can prevent call logs from saving. If issues persist, clear the phone app data after backing up contacts and call exports, then retest to rebuild history. Finish with updates and isolation. Install any Play Store updates for the phone app and run a system update to patch known bugs. If problems continue, reset app preferences to restore disabled apps and defaults, then reboot. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is wiping call logs. If history appears in safe mode, uninstall recent apps one by one. As a key troubleshooting tip, backup call logs using an exporter app before a factory reset, since reset is the last resort and will erase data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.